Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Play Store while signed into the exact Google account whose search history you want removed. Tap your profile icon in the top right. This accesses settings and account controls you need. Once done, choose Settings, then General or Account and Device Preferences, depending on your version, because these areas hold activity controls. Make sure your device is online and the Play app is updated. Otherwise, the options may be different or missing. Next, you navigate into the relevant setting. Settings, then General, and find Account and Device Preferences or Search History. Tap the option labeled Clear Device Search History to wipe local suggestions immediately. If you need more thorough removal, open My Activity from your Google account settings, filter by Play Store activity, then delete specific entries or a date range. This removes server-side records. Remember, suggestions may still appear until the cache refreshes. Give it a minute or force close the app. Finally, you complete the process by forcing the Play Store to refresh. Either force stop the app or restart your device to ensure cleared entries no longer appear. If suggestions persist, go to Device Settings, Apps, Play Store, then Clear Cache. This removes local suggestion remnants. Make sure to check My Activity to confirm server-side deletion, and if history still shows, repeat deletions or sign out other devices. Troubleshooting tip: if entries return, verify all devices using that account are synced and cleared.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.